This is Construction Career Day. We worked actually almost 10 years ago visiting other construction career days in the country to see what we wanted to bring to Murray. And the AGC of Western Kentucky and Murray State University joined as sponsors, as the primary developers of this Construction Career Day. We're trying to serve our region and grow the economic development in this community.
So we're trying to connect young people to the construction industry, to the potential career paths they can have, and they're in direct contact with professionals in the industry today. The goal is, there's several goals, is number one is just to introduce the students to career opportunities in construction, and there's a huge workforce shortage right now. The industry needs employers, and so we're trying to give them an opportunity that, hey, they can make a living at this, and a good living, and stay here right in West Kentucky. Another big value is that we're connecting the technical school instructors with the professionals, such as apprenticeship programs and contractors, and it allows them to have a connection where they can actually create a pipeline for their students from the classroom directly into employment.
We're trying to get them to look at construction as a favorable industry. It's a good paying job. There's all kinds of statistics at some of these tables and things. But getting them on campus here at Murray State, getting them exposed to the people that are going to be hiring the technical, skilled people in the future, that's what this is all about.